Making money online in 2026, it's easier than ever. AI and the right skills simplifies everything. But here is the issue. Most people who make money online get stuck between 200 to 500 USD per month. They are making money, but they can't break through to real income. And whenever I meet people, they usually ask me the same question: how can I elevate? That's exactly what this video is about. I'm going to show you 4 methods people are using right now to scale past 1,000 USD, 2,000 or even 5,000 per month. And quick context, this is part 2 of a series that I'm doing on how to make money, or ways to make money online in 2026. If you're new here or brand new to making money online and you have not yet started, I have a beginner's guide, which is part 1, that covers simple gigs and basic freelancing, and I'll put the link on the description box. You should start there before you come here. That is the foundation. But if you're already making a little money online and you're ready to scale, or if you just want to skip straight to the good stuff, this video is for you. Today we are covering 4 parts: high-paying freelancing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and content creation. I'll give you real numbers, the time investment, and exactly how to start each one of them. The first method is high-paying freelancing. Basic freelancing like data entries pays 10 to 15 per hour, dollars per hour. That's fine for a beginner. But if you want to make 2,000 or 5,000 per month, you need specialized skills that pays between 50 to 100 USD per month. Some of these top high-paying skills for 2026 are such as copywriting. This involves writing that sells, sales pages, email sequence, ads, and you can charge between 500 to 200 USD per project, and you can learn this in 30 to 60 days for free on YouTube or a cheap Udemy course. Another high-paying skill in 2026 is video editing. Every business needs videos in 2026 for YouTube, for TikTok, and for ads, and you can charge between 50 to 100 USD per video. And to get this skill, it's so easy. You just need to watch a few tutorials on YouTube for free and start working on it. Perfect the skills on the job. This is one of those skills that you get to learn on the job. Another very high paying skill, and this one we use it in my agency. Actually, all of these we use them in my agency, is ads management, running Facebook ads and Instagram ads for businesses. And how do you charge for the ads? It should be between 10 to 20% of the ad spend that the business owner is using on the ads. You can manage 5,000 in ads, make between 500 to 1,000 USD per month from every client. Now think about website designing, WordPress. We have Wixi on Webflow sites. You don't need to code. In 2026, we have AI. You can create a very nice website using AI and charge between 1,000 to 5,000 USD per website. Here is a perfect strategy that you can use to make money. Pick one skill, spend 30 to 60 days learning of it, offer it cheap at the first to build a portfolio. Maybe for example 200 USD for something you will equally charge 1,000 for, just to get the skill. After 5 to 10 projects, double your rates. Keep raising your prices until people say no. And I know the biggest question here would be, where do I find clients? Upwork and Fiverr. But the real money is in direct outreach. Find businesses on Instagram, LinkedIn, send simple pitches. For example, you can say, hi, I noticed you're not running Facebook ads. I help businesses like yours get customers through paid advertising. Are you open for a quick call? Now, the second method of making huge money online is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's product and earn via commissions on sales. No product creation, no inventory, no customer service. And how does it work? The first step is you sign up for affiliate programs, get unique links, share it with your audience, and earn a percentage on every sale. This is so easy, and the money from affiliate marketing is usually so good. So best programs, for example, we have Amazon Associates. I'm sure you've seen your favorite celebrities sharing Amazon product or Amazon links. This is so that they can get a commission from it. We have ClickBank and CJ's affiliate, which gives between 5 to 20% on everything from fashion to software. Now, the next question I am sure would be, where do I promote? We have YouTube. You can do product reviews, you can do tutorials, you can do comparisons, you can do TikToks, Instagram product recommendations. You can also promote the product on blog, having a blog article that ranks on Google. Once ranked, they bring traffic on autopilot for years, and I mean it because I am sure about this one. We also have Pinterest. Create pins linking them to your affiliate product. Pinterest is an amazing search engine, so pins drive a lot of traffic for years. For a second, let's break down the reality of affiliate product. First month, you might make $0. The second month, you might end up with 20, but after 6 to 12 months with consistent content, you could be at 1,000 to 5,000 per month passively. And guys, this is passive income. The third method is drop shipping. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is selling physical product without an inventory. Now, the customers buy from your store, but you buy from the supplier. They ship straight to the customer and you keep your profits. However, drop shipping is competitive. An example of a winning strategy could be, for example, you find a winning product, a very nice one that solves a problem or have a wow factor, and not in normal or regular stores. And of course, with good margins, use AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or even Spockets. Build your store. You can build it on Shopify, who are very affordable, make it look professional with good photos, clear description, and trust badges. Then drive traffic via different methods. For example, paid ads. You can use Facebook and TikTok. Also, you can use organic content. For example, TikTok is a very good traffic driver, or it's good in driving traffic. You can use Instagram Reel. A tip: paid is faster but costs money, and of course organic is free but takes time. So if you choose to go the paid way, it is going to cost you money, but it's going to move faster. Now, the fourth method of making big money is content creation. Yes guys, creating content, making money from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram through ad revenue and brand deals. The platforms pays differently in different countries. For example, on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time to monetize. On TikTok, it depends with the country you are in. We have good countries and we have countries which are not monetized. For example, in Kenya, we are not monetized. With content creation, you can also send a course. I have a course on my website at saradho.com. You can go there and see I have a 5,000 or 50 USD course, and it's doing well. That is passive income. You can also become an influencer. And how do you start with content creation? This is so basic and anyone can do it. Pick one platform, post consistently, daily if possible, or a minimum of 3 to 4 times per week. Pick a niche. You can talk about finance, fitness, gaming, productivity, making money, just anything. Study successful creators in your niche. This is so important. Be patient. It takes between 3 to 6 months to see real results. I'm speaking from experience, between 3 to 6 months, so that you can see real results. Now, I know you may be asking what path to pick. This is another dilemma that many people faces. A tip when it comes to content: pick a primary platform. For example, YouTube. I would recommend YouTube to anyone. Once you pick a primary platform, now pick a secondary. For example, I use YouTube as my main. I also create content here and there on TikTok, but that's not one of my main platform. But this year I'm thinking about it, and also now have a secondary one. The primary one for me is YouTube, and I also have Instagram. On Instagram, I talk with my people on the DMs. Now that is like a sub platform for me. So my main is YouTube, and I also prioritize Instagram and nowadays Facebook, because now Facebook have started monetizing. Now, I know you may be asking yourself, which path do I pick? What do I do? It's already in 2026. If you need money in 30 to 60 days, the best path for you is high-paying freelancing. Learn the skill and pitch to the clients immediately. If you want passive income and you are patient, affiliate marketing is the best for you. It takes time, but it runs on autopilot once it starts working. On the other hand, if you have money to invest in neck testing, dropshipping would be the best for you. It is a real business potential, but requires capital and testing. If you're creative and comfortable on camera, start content creation. It has the highest long-term potential but longest to pay off. It takes time to start paying off. Another tip, and this is what I do, is you can combine all of them. Start with freelancing for quick money. Use that money to invest back in tools and learning and build a YouTube channel in your niche. And after that, start doing affiliate, add affiliate marketing through your channel. That's what I did actually, and it works. To be honest, whatever you choose, you're supposed to give it a timeline of 90 days of real efforts. Don't quit after 2 weeks. It takes time, but it pays off. Do not quit, guys. It takes time, yes, but it's going to pay off in real time. If this has helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for part 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.